Clacton is.
Hey amazing people, welcome to my 2024 summer adventure vlog with the children.
Hi guys. Welcome back to our channel. We are going to go to the beach and we're excited. How are you? I hope you're doing amazing. We're at the beach today. And we're going to make sandcastles and play in the water and everything. So come along with us.
Wow, I like this beach. Joshi, wait! Iris! You have to stay back. Say hi, guys. Hey amazing people, how are you all doing? Welcome to today's vlog. I brought the children to Clacton on Sea. We've just set out today to have fun on the beach and just explore nature. Yeah.
Hi guys. The water was so fun. So come along with us and let's show you our journey. Come on.
Let's go, Jojo.
I found this rock. It's so clear. I found this rock. Look at this shell that Joelle found. I found coral. What's this doing here? But it looks like something.
Oh, this water is so cold. It is cold, Iris. I can feel it.
The first time I came here, it was so cold.
Ah, Jojo, hold me. Jojo, hold
And
me.
then, like me and Josie said,
Ah,
when you were scared to go cold.
I'm not scared. I just don't like this cold water.
Okay, and I came back the cold and you passed it.
Iris,
You scared?
I'm not scared.
When you first try it, it might be cold, but I know. Come on, Mommy. Mommy's here right now.
Too cold.
Mommy,
Yes,
come on.
it's too cold. I don't like it.
Is it like cold?
It's too cold. I'm gonna stay by the edge for a while. It's too cold, Iris. How are you even getting in this water?
So easy.
It's very cold. So my children and I have actually been out quite a lot this summer 2024, and I'm really thankful for the gift of time to be able to do so much with them.
Guys, what's this? I'm not scared of the water.
For you as a mom watching this, do you have a strategy for navigating holiday times like half-term break or summer holiday? What's the strategy you use in keeping the children busy? Because sometimes we run out of ideas. So kindly share your strategy in the comments section, because I'll be checking. You want to touch the water?
Yeah.
Yes, you should.
So can I touch it now? Yeah.
Should we go then? Hey guys, how are you lot doing? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Today we're at Clacton on Sea. It's a sandy beach, as you can see behind me, and it's just it's moderate in terms of like the amount of people here at the moment. There is this amount of people around me. It's not too crowded, so I kind of really like it. We were caught in between coming to Clacton or Margate, and I chose this one because I just got that sense that it will be less crowded. Yeah, so, and it's true. All right, Joshi, you ready? Let's go. Yeah. All right, let's go in. Let's go in more. Hold me. Hold me on this side. Yay! Well done, Joshi.
Joshi, did you see that kit? Look at it. Joshi, look at this kit. Joshi, look at this kit. Joshi, look at me. Joshi, look at me. Look at this kit. Did you see that?
Let's see. Wow, Iris.
That was Daddy. Well, both of us did it. Joel! Oh, okay.
I'm recording your daddy.
Mommy, look at my food.
Wow, daddy's helping you to build your house.
Yeah? Touch
Sorry, Baba. And we've come to the end of this vlog. I hope you guys have thoroughly enjoyed this vlog. For me as a mom, I live for making wonderful memories with my children. And I'm just so grateful to God for the opportunity to do little things that really matter at the end of the day. And just savoring all the situation and circumstance and each day as it comes to create memories that will last for a lifetime. I'm a believer that you do not need so much to create fun memories with your children. All you need sometimes is nature, so make use of it.